The question is, if you were cutting two crosses, is there a way to invert the second cross and move it closer to the first cross to conserve material? The answer is yes in cadworxlive.com. We are in cadworxlive.com, and the first thing I want to do is create a design. When I click on that, that opens up my design page. I need to expand that, so the hotkey there is a F11. I want to click on Add Auto Shape and double click on Auto Shapes. Go to my rectangle tool and I'm going to draw a cross. I want to go to page 3. I'm going to use that rectangle. First thing I want to do is duplicate it. So Control D to duplicate it. And I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. And I'll slide it up to create my cross. To make it look a little bit better here, I'm going to make that a little bit smaller. Here's my cross. Now what I want to do is select both rectangles, and I'm going to go to Shaping and weld that together. Now I have one piece. Size on that is 4 inches, which is good. Now I'm ready to go to my cutting. So I'll go send a vector cut, which is the cutting software in Cadworx Live. And we'll go up to View and Fit Object so you can see the cross. Again, I want to select it. Control D to duplicate it. Move it off to the side here. And now I have to invert it. To do that, we'll go to Arrange. And under Arrange here, I'm going to mirror it. I'm going to mirror the Y-axis here. That inverts it. And I'll move it closer to the other cross. So there we inverted it to save on materials. And let's go to View and Fit Material and show you that blue rectangle you see represents the material in the machine. And you can change it to read whatever it reads on your machine. And let me go out on that. So I'm going to select both of these, and if I want to make 3 copies, for example, there are 6 crosses. There's my 6 crosses. But I want to line it over in line with the other crosses. I'm going to fit that in there. And just select them individually and position them so I can nest them together. So there we have our 6 crosses. If we need more of them, I just go back and I can do as many as we want.